Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. We're back in the garage today, doing a mod that I've been wanting to do for a little while. It's the backup lights, and I have to give thanks to one of the members that, not members, one of the subscribers. I don't want to mention his name, just out of, privacy. If he does show up in the comments, you'll see him there. Okay, so I've been trying to put LEDs in these for a long time. The issue was every time we put the LEDs in, the backup light would stay on. He suggested me from a Facebook group, which I'll try to leave a link to. It's a really good Facebook group. Quite a few people follow it. He led me to the bulbs that finally we found work for this. So we're going to install them today. All right, so here we have the bulbs here. Take a look at those. They look like, I don't know, like little transformers, like they're going to turn into something. I did open this package up. These things are pretty solid. So we're going to install those. I did ahead of time take out the screws from there. As you can see, you just got to pull those caps off. I do have another video on that. You just pull the caps off, take a couple screws out, and all you got to do is yank the housing out. Be careful, you don't want to scratch the paint when you're doing it. And it's pretty much easy. That's how you do it. So anyways, I'll leave the links for that. Okay, like I say, you're going to want to just give this a little tug like that. What I like to do is put my leg behind it and turn it out. I should have put some rubber gloves on. I'll leave links to that. I got extra ones, so I'm not worrying about it. And then you just want to take the new one and put it in. Alright, so now when you're putting these in, be very careful. Do it slowly. Take your time. Make sure it's all the way in. So the these parts here hit the top of the base here. Then you just carefully reinstall them. Just gotta remember where to put these. Yeah, so it's going to be clockwise when you put it back in. And we're going to do a little comparison. I obviously have the stock bulbs. I'm not going to put that all the way back in. So let's just start that up. All right, I didn't want to start the car up for this, but here you can see the stock bulbs. Whoops, they went out there. The stock bulbs. You can already see the reflection. Damn! Off the other side, and how bright these are. Oh my goodness. Come over here. Yeah, there's no comparison. These things are actually brighter than, I can't remember if it was 𝙑𝙖𝙧 that I had. They were huge heat sinks on them and everything. And this is way brighter. Alright guys, and just for some reassurance and even checking for myself, I'm going to start the car up. Make sure the parking brake's on. Reverse. Park. Oop, take that off. Yeah, so we don't have any issues with the camera being on. Let's go back there. Actually, I'll put the reverse on. Let's hope I don't go through the friggin' wall. Alright, so yeah, they're good. There you go. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we like to hear your comments, so please do that. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and stay safe. Bye.
subscribe.